p be a positive integer such that the unit digit of p cube is 4, what are the possible unit digit of p plus 3 whole cube? P cube unit digit is 4, that means p is even. So p unit digit could be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. P cube, if p had unit digit 0, p cube would have unit digit 0. It had 2, 2, 4, 8, this will be 8. 4, 4, 16, 64, 4, 6, 6, 36, 2, 16, 6, 8, 64, 512, 2. So if I know that unit digit of p cube is 4, then, hey, very nice, very interesting. Unit digit of p cube is 4, that means p does not end in 0, p does not end in 2, p does not end in 6, p does not end in 8. P ends with 4, unit digit of p is 4. What are the possible unit digit of p plus 3 whole cube? P plus 3 will end in 7, 7 cube will end in 7, 49, 343, it ends in 3. Only possible value is 3 and true. Freebie, absolute freebie. We're basically saying take this mark.